Grab your fishing pole. Hey there, Daniel and Sarah. As you can probably already see, we are at Huntington. We're heading to the blowout, which is really blowing out right now. But there's still a few places down there to fish. The water level is up, and I know they just planted, so we should have at least a good chance at catching something. We're out here. We're up here today for an overnight trip. So we're going to give it a shot, see what we can do. I see it's really running down there, but there's some slow spots towards the edges that we can hit. And I've done it before out here when it's like this, so it's not impossible. It's just a little more difficult. We run the risk of a lot of snags, so we'll see what we can do. Look at that. Yep. Oh no, we can eat him. We can eat him. Okay. Alright.
At least he caught one.
Yeah. Alright, well. There you go.
Can I hold him?
Not the size I would like, but we're going to keep them for now. Simply because we want something to eat for later. So that's what we're going to do. So you want to hold him? There you go. Grab him, hold him. There you go, Vash. Alright, Vash, what do you think?
Cool.
Yeah? Alright, at least that's something we can eat for dinner now. Alright? Alright, sorry I didn't have my camera on to actually catch them, but we're kind of struggling here to catch the fish, so. But, alright, Vash. Oh, easy. There you go, what do you think?
Cool.
Okay. There we go. Let's just let it sit. Damn it. Did he swim away? I don't think he swam. No, he's right there. He's still just right down there. I'm going to try to put on a worm just to switch it up. Oh. Yep. Caught him, but he threw the hook. Oh man. Hey there, Daniel and Sarah. So, first day, not really successful, but we did catch the one. So, we do got one trout that we're gonna cook up right now. The way I'm going to try to do it, I'm going to try to copy another YouTube channel. It's a channel I really enjoy. It's called Fisherman's Life. So if you get a chance, check it out if you haven't already. I mean, he doesn't need my advertisement. He's definitely doing well on his own, but he has a recipe on there just for trout that I've been wanting to do just because it's so simple and it's so amazing, or at least it looks amazing. I haven't had the opportunity to actually try it yet. And what he does is all he does is butter, avocado, trout. So that's what we're going to be doing. Well, we're going to let the butter melt. All right, here, hold it. I'll come over here. All I'm going to do is put some salt and pepper on here. That's all this is, just a little salt and pepper. Usually it's my wife who would do the the fish, but she's not here today, unfortunately. So I'm doing it.
You want to open some cans?
Yeah, we're adding chili to it too, since we only caught the one fish, so.
That's what I call a loose cook.
There we go. Film the fish. There you go.
Now beans to add it. Filming the fish. Filming the fish.
That'll be my cameraman.
You cook it so fast.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It would fall right off. Right
It does just fall right off right now.
It's gonna taste good.
Alright, Vash, here we go. Alright, so what we have here is the avocado with fish, and then just canned chili. Definitely not special, but sit down. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Oh yeah. That is actually really good. That's it for day one. Well, tomorrow we're not staying the whole day, but we are going fishing in the morning. Hopefully we'll actually catch some to take home with us.
Yes.
If not,
So
this may
good.
just be the end of the video. And if it is, thank you for watching all the way through. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you comment, like, subscribe. He would also appreciate it. But what?
See you later.
See you later. All right, Daniel, Sarah, it is fun coming up to Huntington. At least we caught one.
That's something.
That is something. So for now, we're going to say goodbye, and hopefully the video will continue with more fish. Well, good morning. It's 5:30, and it looks like we're the first ones up to fish. Hopefully that we can manage to hook into a few and leave with our limit. We only got 3 hours before we got to get going, so we're gonna be fishing hard here.
I have a pizza party.
She has a pizza party. All right, finally got one. Oh, he's swallowed. Nope, it's right on the lip. Right on the lip. Whoo, yeah.
And hold him.
Well, grab him for me. He's flopping around in the dirt. There you go. All right, whoops, get him. Finally. Wow. Right on the lip. All right, hold on, Vash. Hold on. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that color. That's a little skinny fellow. All right, hold him, both hands. Hold him. Hold him like that. Hold him. Spread your hands out a little bit. There you go. Show them to me. All right, Vash, what do you think?
Cool.
All right, we gotta get shoes. What? I do remember that.
Like hard and you couldn't get away.
Uh-huh. Got him. There he is. There he is, Vash.
Yes!
Haha. Got him, Vash, got him.
Yes.
Alright, get the other fish. Oh, easy, easy.
Got him.
There we go.
There's
Number
a
2.
fish. You got a friend.
Number 2 right there. There we go. Not bad. Alright, there we go. 2 about average size for this area. Look at the colors on this one though. I think this one was is wild. I'm not 100%, I can't tell you for sure. I'm not good at that, identifying that stuff. Oh, look, someone else has caught him before. There's some power bait in there. Anyways, this one's starting to bleed, planter. So we're gonna be taking off, heading back home. At least we're not heading home empty-handed. There's Andrew with Fishing Fresno, Vash. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Alright, let's go. Take 'em.